Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to duplicate a page in Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. From your main menu, go to pages and select that page which you want to duplicate. So right now I'm going to duplicating this about page, so I'm clicking on this gear icon and make sure to select general tab and scroll down and click on duplicate page and click on confirm. This opens a copy of the page for editing. The new page title ends with copy. The duplicate page will appear in the not linked section of the page panel. You can move the duplicated page to your navigation, edit its content and change the setting as you would with any other page. So this was how we can duplicate a page in Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.